Hello everyone. I would like to give you a short overview on the current Bitcoin status and how I feel. Let's look at the 12 hours candles. For me, in my opinion, that I have seen the bottoming out structure is formed here. At least it might be the first bottoming out structure. As I mentioned in my video on Sunday, on this past Sunday, I foresee that during the next 6.5 days, meaning this week, there might be an opportunity to see a bottoming out structure formed. So, but what I didn't anticipate is it could be as soon as the end of yesterday. It's what I have seen here. So let's take a look at the one-day candle. In daily chart, it's the same. So how do I judge that here is the bottoming out structure being formed? Because as you can see here, the price created new low, and the DIF value in MACD, MACD didn't create new low. So it is a typical candlestick pattern where it shows a potential bottoming out structure. So meaning at this point, we need to observe that anytime with the turning of the DIF, so the DIF is here, so we need to observe whether the DIF keep going down and then at one point of time it's turning. So I think I will produce another video to explain in detail and exactly how I judge every bottoming out structure being formed. Okay, here just a quick view on the Bitcoin. So again, on this daily chart, from what I observe, by the end of yesterday, on the daily chart, the bottoming out structure has also formed here at this point. Okay, now whilst we're looking at the chart, we can see that Bitcoin is slightly minus today. However, it could be like okay, let me try to do it again. Like what I stated in my video on last Sunday, if you look at the wave here, so we can see down and then there's a slight rebound and then down again. But is it possible that we're at the end of wave 3? As I mentioned on Sunday, I feel that if this is a wave 3, then the wave 3 has to be in proportion with wave 1. And currently you can see it's so obvious that it's much shorter. So very likely it could be just the first bottom here. So here could be the first bottom. Okay, and then the market, the Bitcoin price can bounce a little bit and then further down. So then if we see, maybe over there it could be a second bottom structure formed. Okay, so then if we look, the wave 3 can be this length. So this length compared to the wave 1, we can see, okay, somehow they're in proportion. So, okay, then just give a conclusion. Here, I see as the bottoming out structure formed. So myself, I have bought some by the end of this bar, daily bar yesterday of January 11. So because why? Even on the graphic, it doesn't look like in proportion, the wave 3 and wave 1. But what if there's no other bottom showing up later? What if the price would just get the reversal from this point? So, I mean, in terms of the trading action, we should never wait for the next better bottom, because maybe there isn't any. Okay, but every time when we trade, we have to already bear in mind, what's the point I should get out? What's the point that will prove that this entry point is wrong, right? So if the market, what I'm going to do is, okay, could be is already the best point to entry, and the market will start the reversal. This is one possibility. And it could be that the market goes this way, slightly bounce, and then further down. So my observed point is, so when it's going down, here the DIF will go slightly up and then slightly down again. But as long as the DIF doesn't create new low compared to this lowest point, previous lowest point, I will keep my position until the DIF, until the price keep dropping and the DIF break out this line, then I will exit. Then it's the point that can prove that this entry is wrong. So this is just my personal opinion. Just would like to share with all of you, and see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.